discuss about the Python operators. Okay, so there are multiple Python operators. First I listed Python operators. We'll start with the basic and I'll cover all the operators of the Python. The first operator are very basic arithmetic operators. So in arithmetic operators, the basic operations are contains. It contains addition, which symbolizes with the plus, subtraction, then multiplication, division, then modulus. The division is single, the modulus, then power. Power is symbolized with the two multiplications, then divide of integer numbers, that is double, and the other is, these are the operators of the arithmetic. Now I'll take the examples one by one. Okay, so the first I'll take an example of arithmetic. In the Python, as I said, no need to declare the variables. Okay, so directly one by one I'll explain with the example. The first is my addition. So universally I define A as my 10 and B as my 5. Okay, so there are two variables, A and B. I perform the addition on these two variables. The addition will be A plus B. The output is my 15. Okay, the next is my subtraction, A minus B. So it will be my, if I perform 10 minus 5, it will be 5. The next operation is my multiplication. Means A multiplied with B, the answer will be my 50. The next is division operation. Division, A divided by B. So if I divide the 10 by 5, the answer will be 2. this side. Okay, one by one again we'll take an example and I'll tell you how this works. One more thing I have to tell you, that these relational operators give you the answer in the Boolean ways. Boolean means it gives you the answer either the true or the false. Okay, if the condition is true, it returns you the true. If the condition is false, it gives you the false. The first is less than. Suppose again I take a universal value, okay, a and b, two variable or three variable as you suggest. Okay, suppose a is my 10 and b is my 5. Okay, so what is the, if I write a is less than b, now what will be the output? Is 10 is less than 5? No, it is not. So the answer will be my false. Okay, the next is a is greater than b. Is a is greater than b? 10 is greater than 5, of course. So the answer will be true. The next is a equal to b. Is 10 is equal to 5? No. So the answer will be false. The next is if a is less than equal to b. So here it checks for the two conditions. First it checks is less or equal to. If any of the condition is true, if any of the condition is true, then the answer will be true. Means it will check for the answer for this and answer for this. Is a is less than b? Less than b? No. So the answer is false. Is a equal to b? No. The both are the false. So here you perform the OR operation. OR operation means if both the conditions are false, then it will be false. Okay, if any of the condition is true, then answer will be true. But in this situation both the conditions are false, so here the answer will be false. The next is a is greater than equal to b. The same as above, it will check a is greater than b. First it will check a is greater than b. Yes, it is greater. The answer for this is true. Now next, a equal to b? No, it is not. The answer for this is this. But true or false? If any of the condition is true, in the OR situation, the output will be true. Then the answer will be true. Okay? The next is a is not equal to b.